Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. The built-in Windows NSLookup command is a powerful command line tool to query the DNS to retrieve domain name or IP address mapping and other specific DNS records. It allows you to perform basic name resolution tests interactively or non-interactively to check DNS server responses. This guide introduces and explains how to use the NSLookup command in Windows and provides several examples. Open a command prompt and run the NSLookup with the question mark argument to display help on the basic tool's syntax. The NSLookup utility can operate in interactive mode and non-interactive batch mode. Interactive mode is designed for in-depth manual troubleshooting, such as querying multiple records or servers sequentially. Batch mode is used for single one-off lookups. To perform a non-interactive DNS query, type NSLookup followed by the host name or domain that you want to resolve via DNS. In this example, the command returned the IP address of the IT Bros domain. By default, the NSLookup returns the record or the AAAA record for the domain you query. Note that the command results indicate the DNS server through which name resolution was performed. By default, DNS queries are sent to the primary DNS server specified in your network adapter settings. The current network adapter settings can be displayed using the ipconfig_all command. Now, let's look at another example of how to execute a non-interactive DNS query. For example, if you want to show only a certain type of DNS records for a domain, to do this, you need to specify the type of record via the type parameter. The MX type, for example, is used to query mail exchange records for a domain. To display text records for a domain, such as SPF and KIM, set the TXT option. To use the NSLookup command in interactive mode, simply enter this command to switch to its interactive console. Similarly, I would like to display email records for a domain. To enable this filter, type the command setType MX. Then specify the domain whose DNS zone you are going to query. To display authoritative name servers for a domain, set the NS record type. To perform name resolution via a specified DNS server instead of the one specified in your NIC settings, type server and enter the name or IP address of the target DNS server. NSLookup will now send all name resolution queries through the specified DNS server. To view all the DNS records for a domain, set all as the record type. You can enable debug mode in NSLookup command. This mode is used for troubleshooting DNS resolution issues, showing the network packets that are actually sent and received during a query. To perform an NSLookup query in batch mode via a specific DNS server, first specify the domain or host name for which you want name resolution, followed by the DNS server address. In this example, I used Google's public DNS server to query the IP address of the website, the IT Bros. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.